Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm here in beautiful Georgia. Yes, I saw your messages in the comment section about that I should open a travel channel. I guess I talk about Bitcoin every day. It's what I love to do. I'm not so much of a travel channel blogger, so I guess you get both in one. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people. Magicraft whitelist NFT launch is already live. It's been live for around 12 hours and it's going crazy. There's some wasps here. The whitelist is going crazy. The public launch will be open in 4 more hours at 3 p.m. UTC time. In 4 more hours from this video's launch. If there is spots remaining of the NFTs after the whitelist, there's a lot of people, a lot of communities that are whitelisted. Our smart contract developers added the remaining whitelisted spots. So if you were unable to use your address and you were in the whitelist, go to magicraft.io to mint your NFT, and it should be working now because the whitelist addresses all have been added to the smart contract by the developers. Magicraft NFT is epic. It's a play-to-earn game if you're unfamiliar with it. The ticker is MCRT on CoinMarketCap. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. I'm currently long Bitcoin. My trades are in the profits, which is beautiful. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. We're going to look at Twitter and see what's happening in the community. Luna also having a bit of a pullback. It's still up thousands of percent since yesterday. I would be careful buying Luna here. I only put in $1,200 and I'm a multi-millionaire purely in case Luna does manage to come back. If they can somehow fix their code, fix what they've been building and come back, then I have almost 1 million Luna that if it does go back to $1 or $2 or $10, then I have $10 million. But it's purely like that $1,200. I pretty much expect it to be lost. So be careful putting money into Luna. But if they do mount a recovery plan like they're trying to do, it will be epic. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. And I'll show you just again this view of this place. It's so beautiful. And there's a lake over there as well. And there's my fiance eating the remaining of my cheesecake, so I've got to be quick. Oh, and ice cream. Okay, let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin. So going into the technicals for Bitcoin, right now I'm long Bitcoin, which is beautiful because Bitcoin is bouncing back. Why I'm liking Bitcoin right now, let's go into the 4 hourly first. I see here an inverse head and shoulders. So if you don't know what that is, I teach technical analysis in my crypto master course. You can learn it with my 6,000 students. But this is an inverse head and shoulders. So we've got a shoulder. We've got the head, which was the big freak out after UST crashed and Luna crashed. And we've got the right shoulder forming. That's an inverse head and shoulders, everyone. And we're currently a little bit above that neckline. If that breaks out, then an inverse head and shoulders, usually they work like this. Shoulder, head, shoulder, it's the inverse. So normally a head and shoulder pattern is like this. As I teach in technicals, in the technical lessons, it's shoulder, head, shoulder, drop. That's it, head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders is the reverse. Shoulder, head, shoulder, pump. So the target would actually be the base of the head, the distance from the head. So that will be this distance here. If it does break out this way, this will be the distance that Bitcoin could have a pump here, taking us, and it lines up perfectly. Look at that, it lines up perfectly with that previous resistance, 34,360. I'm currently long on Bitcoin. Squeeze mob is going to the green side on the 4 hourly. Stochastic is heading down, but not oversold, and it's trying to turn to head back up. RSI is midway heading up, so I'm actually quite bullish here. Squeeze mob is still going to the green side. I'm actually bullish on Bitcoin here. I went long yesterday and my trade's up a little bit. EMA ribbons, we're still going into the EMA ribbons. We can only turn bullish when we're above the 4 hourly EMA ribbons. So let's see if Bitcoin can make it through here. VPVR, we've got a lot of resistance. The main area of resistance is here, the 30,000, 31,000 to break through. Crypto Guru Bot, still firing a sell. It hasn't fired a buy. This is the long trade that I opened yesterday on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Bitcoin indicator bot, let's see if it fired a buy. It did fire a buy back there, and it's quite up in profit since then. That's on the 4 hourly. On the hourly, it's still looking. Inverse head and shoulders is playing out, and it looks bullish here. It's building pressure for a big movement. We also kind of have, I see another pattern besides that inverse head and shoulders. We've got a pattern here. It's a symmetrical triangle. So also very bullish pattern here. But it can break either way, but usually with the direction of the trend, which at the moment is down. But Bitcoin is about to have a big movement. The base of the triangle is the distance that we'll be moving. So the base of the triangle, this distance here, is how much we're going to be moving. Now that can be to either direction. It can be to the upside, which lines up perfectly with the 35, or the downside, which takes us down to here, 24,000. I am leaning to the upside, but let's see which direction Bitcoin chooses. Symmetrical triangles are unknown on the direction. Stochastic is heading up. RSI is also heading up, and Squeeze Mob is heading green. I think we're going to be going to the upside. I'm going to show you my trades. This is the trade that I took yesterday. I'm going to show you it, and then we'll come back. Oh, here it is. So I opened it at 29,350. My stop loss was at 27,400. My take profit is at 34,360. I was risking $1,958 to make $5,000 of profits. If I use 10x leverage, I think I use 5x leverage on that trade, but 10x leverage will be $50,000 of profits. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description and the pinned comment down below under this video, if you go under on your phone, smash up this thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, click the join button to follow my live trades in cryptos and stocks, my longs, my shorts, when I buy stocks, when I buy altcoins, Bitcoin trading on Bybit. If you use this link in the description and pinned comment, if you sign up, you now get a sign up bonus of $4,600 when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. If you're using other exchanges, if you're why I like Bybit, it's one of the biggest exchanges. It's never been hacked. It has low fees. That's why I use Bybit. That link is down below. You get that sign up bonus of $4,600 when you sign up to Bybit using this link. You have to deposit Bitcoin, and again, you can take the crypto master course to learn my technical analysis. The links are also down below, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Now in Bybit, I'm going to show you my Bybit account. I have in here $197,269, up around $5,000 since yesterday. I've got BUSD, which is just US dollars. I've got BIT, $45,000 of BIT. I've got Bitcoin, one Bitcoin, which I bought up 3%, and I've got $26,000 up CRV, up 10%, which is nice. I've got a Bitcoin long open from yesterday. It's a $3,000 long. It's a 5x leverage, so $15,000 trade, up 8%, $242 since yesterday, which is beautiful. I could add more to this trade because my stop loss is all the way down at 23,000, and I don't think Bitcoin can get that low. But I want to add in, I want a confirmed trajectory of Bitcoin before I add. Also, I bought a lot on Binance. In my Binance account, I have how much? 402,000 US dollars. That's up a few $1,000s since yesterday. 13.4 Bitcoin in here. This is real money. And I bought a lot of BNB. I've got $94,000 of BNB. I'm going to add more to BNB if it has a drop. BNB is at 290. It's up 7% today. Okay, I'll put a limit order for BNB. I'm going to buy more BNB. Let's put a limit order at 260. If it manages to come down there, let's buy another $50,000 of BNB at $260. So that's a limit buy of BNB. So I'm going to buy another 260 BNB at 200. Sorry, I'm going to buy another 192 BNB at $260 if it comes down that much. I also have about almost $1 million worth of Luna, 1 million Luna, $259. Let's buy a bit more Luna, but again, this is purely in case Luna does manage to fix their chain. So because I have around 895, I need to get another 105,000 Luna to have 1 million of Luna. So I'm going to buy that just to have 1 million of Luna. But again, I'm purely expecting that this crashes, so don't do this. I'm going to buy another 105,000 Luna, which is $30 more. It's so cheap Luna now because of the crash. That's crazy. So I just bought more Luna. Let's see now if I have 1 million Luna now, $260 worth, just purely in case they come back. But it most likely won't, but that's what I'm doing just in case. Also, the Magicraft NFT minting is now live for whitelisted people. You can there's going to be win a Tesla by minting one NFT of our collection at magicraft.io. www.magicraft.io. One of the NFTs, a rare one, has a Tesla hidden within the NFT. Also, this is in our Discord, people making massive gains inside my Discord, which is beautiful. This is the Magicraft team building epic stuff. We've got smart contract developers in there, marketing people. It's a play to earn game, which is epic. And yeah, I'm going to show you over on, this is me on Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter. I have 34,000 people in here. Public sale to go live at 3 p.m. UTC. Magicrafters, are you ready to meet 9,999 NFT heroes? The archers, the mages, and the warriors are coming out. So the whitelist is already active. Only if you pre-whitelisted. The public sale will be at 3 p.m. UTC, which is around 4 hours, which is beautiful. So that's what I think is happening in the markets, everyone. Thank you for watching. I just bought a bit of Luna. I've got long on Bitcoin, and my trade's up quite a bit today. Hit the subscribe button. Join 74,000 people. Smash up thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.